All right. Good gosh. I hate having to set this thing up sometimes.
Yeah, that's fair.
It is on, so. Well, today we're going to be getting a cool shot of some waterfall like this. Get across so we don't get hit first. We're going to try getting an up photo. Ah, heck. I want to get a better photo. I got to go like this one. You say it smells like mold?
It smells like mold.
Who cares? It smells good. Oh, that actually looks awesome.
Ooh.
And that's from, oh wait, that one's better.
That is nice.
And that's with not even looking through the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Get a couple more of that shot and then, yo, waterfall pictures are kind of dope. Especially if you're getting like the water to actually hit you. If this thing was not here, I could get a way better photo. Oh, I got an idea. Yep.
Gotta crop it a tiny bit, so yeah.
I'm definitely going to, but another thing I can do is go through the actual thing. That's better. Getting a little bit of green adds some texture to the actual photo. And if I can get a photo like this. That was not that good. The one thing I realized about how much storage I have on this SD card.
Yeah.
There's 116 gigabytes on this one SD card, this small card.
That's pretty good.
You wanna know how many photos I've taken on this thing now?
How many?
626.
Oh yeah, you can get a ton more.
You wanna know how much I've used?
How much?
Around 4 gigabytes. Okay, there is a way I can get up there.
Don't recommend it, but yeah.
There is a path.
Yeah.
I mean, I would love to. Just to get a downward photo. We'll try it.
Yeah.
I know, I'm trying not to.